So, good morning. Let me turn this all the way down because I don't want your copyrighted stuff in my damn video. So good morning. Yesterday was our resting day. We didn't take up any cameras, we didn't vlog, we just rested because we knew that today was going to be a traveling day for us. But I will say, in the airport, if you guys do not have your C5 forms, they're not even letting people board their flight in the United States. When you come to Jamaica, they're stopping you. You can't even get in. Okay, you have to stop to get your C5 form done. If you pass and get on a flight to Jamaica, they're stopping you in Jamaica. So we did all of that. So going through the airport was easy for us. We didn't have anything to declare, but we got a car from outside the airport. So when we got the car outside the airport, there's an I stop sign coming up on the car, and there's also another sign on the car. We called to ask about the signs. She said it's supposed to be okay. Every single time this car turns off, it takes like 10 to 15 minutes for the car to start back on. So today we called and we're taking the car back because we also see that one of the wheels is patched up, and babe say you're not supposed to patch the wheel where it's patched because that's a recipe for disaster, and also the car is not starting properly. So we're taking it back to Timeless Car Rentals, and I can show you guys the signs. So I don't know, there's the I stop sign, and there is the next orange sign on the top. So we are currently in Montego Bay. Babe stopped to get us some juicy patty because we're super hungry. So that's what we're doing. We're getting some patty and then we're taking the car back. We're actually supposed to be heading to Westmoreland, but instead we took a detour and we're coming to Montego Bay, and then we're just gonna cut from Montego Bay to go Westmoreland. So yeah, we have been wanting a patty for a long time. So KFC line long till it curve, and we have stuff to do. So we just came out the KFC line because we couldn't bother and go our juicy beef. So when he brings the patty come, and when I'll show you guys them. We are not letting anything ruin our trip. It's a good thing that we always plan in advance and plan for certain things to happen. So for whatever, we make way and time, and we already have our clothing and everything packed because we're planning to go straight from Westmoreland to Kingston for Freedom Street because my grand aunt is the one that's going to be babysitting Kaya Malani. So we took a whole day to plan and prep. We brought our Freedom Street clothes and stuff, so we didn't have to stop back in Clarendon. We can just go straight. And it's working out because if we didn't, we probably would have to gone back to Clarendon, but we planned in advance for stuff like this to happen. So we are good. We're not trying to let anything ruin our trip. So we finally made it to Westmoreland. The music.
Ken, still smirking, headed into the balcony, closing the door behind him. From her place under the covers, Paula heard the water running. Ken stayed in there for about 30 minutes. She only emerged from the blankets when she heard the door open. Ken stepped out, clad in nothing but a towel around his waist. Quickly, she averted her gaze, spotting the playful grin on his face from the corner of her eye. Quickly noticing her sneaking a glance at his damp body. You sure took a while. I've been itching to change out of this gown. Heading for the bathroom. Ken quipped, why bother going in there to change? You can just do it here in front of me. In your dreams, Paula retorted hotly. I don't have to dream. Ken murmured, you're already within my reach.
You're definitely on
He
one,
grabbed hold
man.
of her,
Me
pulling
glad
her
me wear
against
long
the
skirt.
and locking her in his arms so she could barely move.
Yes.
Paula froze in surprise. She felt Ken's warm lips press against the nape of her neck.
Aye,
Goosebumps
so
raced up her skin at the sensation of his soft kisses. Ken's desire for his wife flared up. He traced kisses from her neck down to her bra. Paula felt a flicker of heat course through her, shutting her eyes tight to fight off the feelings. She yanked herself free of Ken's arms and whirled to face him. You're just like all the others. You only want sex. She spat accusingly, her emotions roiling inside. I never had just sex with you, Paula, Ken said quietly. The first time we were together, I made love to you. Remember that. And just like right now, I want you to feel my love again tonight. He reached for the back of her neck and kissed her. Paula couldn't deny she enjoyed the feeling of his lips on hers.
yeah, I said, Mama.
Continuing to shower her with gentle caresses. Even if she refused to admit it out loud, she sensed real affection in every touch. He didn't leave a single part of her body unrubbed. David looked up to
For this spot?
correctly. Yes, Emily hesitated. I overheard something you need to know, she said.
Better you than me. Me can't say nothing. Me say me can't say nothing.
This one said to say and this.
I think you'll take some of the outside.
Are you?
Yeah. I wanted to do that.
Good morning. Good morning. We're resting. We're leaving Westmoreland. We're at a rest stop in Bluefields. I think this is Bluefields. See me also, babe. No, babe.
Really?
Yeah, really. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you?
Go get fresh from the back and come and get it outside.
Alright, so
8:25 a.m.
huh? Yeah. Me I go get the see if she finish.
Place not.
This place is yours.
Yeah.
The location is super nice. There's porridge and there's food.